Hi guys, I am Tanvir from my channel Tanvir Islam. Now I am going to show how to browse Bitly link. All of us know that Bitly is a most popular short link. We can earn with this link. The creators are using this link to short link. Okay, uh, when we browse this kind of link, there is so much problem. Likely it doesn't load. Okay, now I'm going to show how to expand this link or browse this link. So back to the screen.
Here this is a pretty link. If you can copy, then copy the link. If you cannot copy, then directly open this link in browser and you can copy this link. Okay, or if you cannot copy, then this button, edit and copy, select all and copy. Sometimes the page is loading but not opening. Okay, so if you want to expand or open this link, then we have to use a browser. search short link extractor. I will give the site link in my description box. Open the site name is expandurl.net, then open this and the other site also. If you cannot, then advance, then click proceed to www.expandurl.net, then simply paste the link, then click expand URL. The URL will be expanded and this is the link. Okay, you can copy this link, copy link address or open in a new group. Simply copy, then paste in browser. This is my YouTube channel link. So this I open this in my YouTube app. You can subscribe my channel, and this is my brother's channel. You can also subscribe this channel. So this is the video.
So friends, this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share this content to your friends. Thank you very much.